With new MEES proposals and the Renters' Rights Act fast approaching, January has been a busy month for landlords. Here's how the NRLA has been standing up for you. Updated EPC proposals for privately rented properties were published. These included a reduced cost cap of £10,000, a simpler timeline, as well as any spending on energy efficiency measures from October 2025 counting towards the cost cap. These are all policies that you have been contacting us about, and we're pleased to see the government listening to our concerns. As the Renters' Rights Act draws closer, NRLA CEO Ben Beadle gave evidence to the Greater London Assembly's Housing Committee, raising serious concerns about court capacity following the elimination of Section 21. The NRLA also published our Senedd Election Manifesto, setting out clear policies to support a fair, sustainable rental sector for both renters and landlords. NRLA briefings and statistics were also used in a debate in there to highlight how increasing costs for landlords only harms tenants. That's all for this update. You can find more information on all the topics mentioned in this video and more on the NRLA website.